Hey guys, how are you doing? This is your Arvind from Explain Tech. In this video, we're gonna be before that advance happy pongal, guys. Have a blast. I hope you enjoyed watching PETTA and VISWASAM. I do watch them both. Don't download the films. Go to theater with your family and enjoy the film. So excitements apart, let's get into the video. In this video, we're gonna be doing a quick unboxing and review of this Huawei wireless charger. It's a 15-watt wireless quick charger. That's interesting product from Huawei. Usual wireless chargers have a rating of 7.5 watt, but this interestingly have 15 watt. So that's a great thing that Huawei provides for their customers in India. And this 15 watt charger is almost equal to that of the fast adaptive chargers bundled with almost all of the flagship and top models of Samsung smartphones. So it's really a shame for Samsung for providing just a 15 watt charger for their flagship devices when Huawei can provide wireless charger for 15 watt. The usual Huawei Mate 20 Pro and others have 40 watt chargers. So Samsung should significantly put some importance in their next models to improve their charging technology. So let's not waste the time. Let's get into the video and see what else we got in the box. So before opening up the box, guys, this is the bill that was provided with the product. It's an Amazon bill and the price quoted here is 3,788, but I got it for 4,000 from Amazon. So that's the price. And let me show you around what else. So yeah, I'll show you here. It says this is the actual price, and it says model number, country of origin, manufactured, etc. So you just pause the video and look for those details. And it says it's 15 watt wireless charging, light and portable, multi-layer safety protection, blah blah blah. Okay, let's get to the video and check if they are reliable. And we have some star values and other things. In the box we have the wireless charger, USB Type-C cable and other things. So let's open up and see what is inside. So guys, I've just break the seal and let me keep the cover aside. We have that Huawei branding here, the manufacturer and price details here. This is how the actual product looked like, guys, the Huawei wireless charger. Let me show it closely. So also I'll show it down. It says it's a white color version. We don't have any other color options in India. That's very sad. Huawei should have gone with the black color version because the white color versions usually get prone or tend to get dirty soon. So it all depends on the quality of the product, right? So let's unbox and see how the actual quality of the product is. So let me open up the box and show you the contents inside. And this is how it opens up. Yeah, so there we have the wireless charger and one more small box inside a box. So let's see what else we got in that. Let's keep the wireless charger aside. Let's come to that later. I'll check this. The small box is pretty heavy to hold. Let's open it up. Yeah, it comes up like this. Oops. Yeah, so there we have the warranty card and some information booklet in various languages. As you can see, it's a very big book. I don't read books, so I don't want to read that. And yeah, this is the Type-C cable that's been bundled, and it's a pretty lengthy cable, so that's a nice thing. Let's keep this all things aside and come to the actual product. So this is the wireless charger, guys. Initial impression, it looks very premium and weighs very light in the hand. It says Huawei wireless charger, model number and input and other details. So I'll do one thing, guys. I'll charge my Huawei Mate 20 Pro with this wireless charger and show you how fast it is. So guys, I've just connected my Huawei wireless charger to some external power adapter. You don't have to buy any external power adapters. You just can use your usual power adapters that is being supplied with your smartphone. So guys, I'll do one thing. I'll just try to charge my Huawei Mate 20 Pro with this wireless charger and give you an idea of how it charges fastly. So let me try to keep the phone on the top of the charger. And as you can see, as soon as I kept the phone on the charger, it gave some haptic feedback and started to charge the phone wirelessly. I'll show you closely. That's the symbol of charging the phone wirelessly. I'll show the animation once again. Yeah, I'll take up the phone, put back the phone on the charger, and as you can see, I received the haptic feedback once again and it started to charge the phone wirelessly. So notable thing here is that this wireless charger can charge your phones with glass back panels, and that doesn't mean all glass back panels can be charged with this device. It can charge your phone with QI enabled technology. So that should be a notable thing with this charger before buying this wireless charger. So, and it's almost equal to the charging time of flagship device of Samsung. It takes nearly 2.5 hours to charge your phone from 0 to 100. So that's it guys, this is a quick unboxing and review of this wireless charger. If you want a separate video for this, do say your comment in the comment section. If this is your first time here, please share, subscribe and like this video. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.